Welcome back to part 6 of the series how to create an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel, and in this I am going to emphasize the Discord server icon. So here on the top left hand side you see the Discord channel, Discord server name with a drop down menu. Click it, go to the cog server settings, and here you can upload a maximum file size of 512 multiplied by 512 dimensions picture, and change your icon accordingly and then save. So guys, you can also add in your YouTube icon, channel icon to your official Discord server, and also you can just add some text like I have done. So this is point number 6, my friends. Point number 7 coming right up.